Hi guys, my name is Carlos Emmanuel M. Sidenio from grade 8 St. Clair, and in today's video I am gonna teach you how to make an apron. Now we will begin to measure. Place the apron pattern onto the fabric folded lengthwise, then pin the pattern. Since I do not have an apron pattern, I just improvised and asked my auntie for help for the measurements. Now let's begin to measure. First up is the width. The measurement for the width is 7 inches plus 1 inches equals 8. Next up is the length of the apron, which is 27 inches plus 1 inch allowance, which is 28. Next up is the chest, which is 4 inches with a 1 inch allowance, which is now 5. Lastly is the underarm curve, which is also 4 inches with a 1 inch allowance, which becomes 5. Now I am going to be using this for the curve because I do not have any other instrument for it. Let's begin to cut the fabric. Use the double hand stitch for the curved sides of the apron. Remember to clip the curved part to give shape, then after clipping, fold again. Cut a fabric and then fold it by 1/2 inch. If it matched the wrong side of the fabric, sew 1/4 inch on the side, then invert to show the right sides of the fabric. Press and top stitch both ends of the sides. Attach the ties to the sides of the apron to finish the raw edges of the ties, then fold over twice and then top stitch. Make another tie for the next strap and then fold it by 1/4 inch. Use some procedure stated in the 6th paragraph and then attach to the top side of the apron. Cut a piece of the fabric which measures 8 by 9 inches. Fold 3 sides of the fabric using a 1/2 seam allowance, pin and press. The physical changes of the apron is that the cloth becomes smaller because it was cut into different measurements for the apron. And for the chemical change, drying of paint is both chemical and physical change because the paint changes upon during chemical because the paint combined with the gases with the atmosphere. Also, the paint becomes lighter as it dries. If you buy an apron, then you will not have to worry about staining your favorite shirt ever, especially when working with wet foods like fish meat, pork meat, and cow meat. It is used in baking to keep your clothes nice and dry. An apron is not only used in the kitchen but in various jobs too, like if you're a mechanic, if you make swords, etc. etc.